check out this adorable cottage home in Annafeld. These are going up on the north end of Walter Creek Boulevard. Currently there are 6 of them with foundations ready to go in. And this one is called the Emerald. This is our Emerald Gem, as we're calling them, the Gem Collection. The Emerald is 888 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, living, dining, kitchen, and an awesome front porch. You can see how deep this is gonna be. It'll be perfect for hanging out, enjoying a cup of coffee or a glass of lemonade and having a barbecue or something. So that'll be great. I'm just gonna take you inside real quick so you can see this in the process. You can see we've got our Owens Corning exterior foam our cottages have comfort built packages. So they're super energy efficient and are gonna be really affordable to live in. So we're just at framing right now, but you can see we've got nice big windows, great views at the moment, looking west toward Elysian School. There's the front bedroom right there, the nice closet. This space we're looking at here is the dining room and kitchen. There's a nice pantry closet right there for extra storage. This is gonna be your main bathroom right there. Going through, we've got your master suite. So nice big windows letting in lots of light. Put a nice bed right in between those. And you've even in this small home, you've got a nice walk-in closet and master bath here and a space for a stacker washer dryer. So everything you need in 888 square feet.